the important question may be asked from the homeopathy pharmacy subject of the first BHMS. So these are the topics, these are the syllabus we discuss, then we go towards the long question section. So in the first that is the in your syllabus, first topic which is introduction to the pharmacy, then second is the vehicle, third is the laboratory regarding the instrument preparation, what are the instruments used in the laboratory, then the fourth is the metrology, what are the metrology means what are the millimole, minim, centesimal scale, these are the metrological scales which are used in the laboratory. Then fifth one, in your DD Banerjee also there is the contest, these are the contest which I collect from the DD Banerjee context of the book. Then preparation and the preservation of preparation to preservation, this is the most important because this section is this section mainly came as the most important section of the homeopathy pharmacy, because in this section we deals with the preparation of all those drugs which are used in the homeopathy pharmacy. Then the dynamization part, then analysis of a drug, then pharmacognosy, then what are the law regarding the license in the homeopathy pharmacy or pharmaceutical drug selling, what are the license, how we get, these are the laws and acts are comes in that section. And the 10th and the last section is the scope and research regarding the homeopathy pharmacy, what are the scopes present in the homeopathy pharmacy. So these are the important long questions which can be asked in your exam repeatedly, and these are the most probable questions which asked in your university exam. So first, from this section I take the question of 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the section of the section 5, that is preparation to preservation of the ड्रग्स का प्रिपरेशन से प्रिजर्वेशन तक सब प्रोसेस इस अंदर में होता है, इसके अंदर में होता है. तो preparation to preservation, first thing we should remember, dynamization is also belongs after preparation of the drug we go towards the dynamization scale. So 50 millisiemens scale is the most important which I take as a one. Then preparation of a mother nature in old method, how it is prepared, preparation of and the process of preparation of a mother nature in new method. And there can be one question asked as a difference between old method and a new method, what are the preparation. Then nodules and the suckers, how it is prepared. Then maceration, which is also a topic from this new method. A question can be asked as a full preparation of the mother nature in a new method, or may be asked as the process of the new method follows for the preparation of a mother nature, that is maceration and percolation. With it, trituration is also comes under this method. Then potentization, which is the section of the dynamization. So potentization may be came as a most probable question, most repeated question in the university. And these are all these things are we discuss in our YouTube channel in a one playlist of homeopathy pharmacy. You can go and can get the answer of this question and go with a confidence to your exam. So these are the most important long question which can be asked. In the vehicle section, from this vehicle section there will be maybe the liquid vehicle preparation or classification of a vehicle can be asked, or the preparation of a semi-solid vehicle, mainly glycerol or ointment preparation, or ointment, which is the question asked as a preparation of ointment or external application. From this one topic we can be conclude that when we go towards the principle of external application we discuss about the ointment. Then in the solid, that is sugar and milk, may be asked as a long question. Preparation of a sugar and milk, standardization of a sugar and milk, and the purity. Ethyl alcohol purity, that is most commonly asked as a short note. You can go through it, purity and standardization, mainly ethyl alcohol, and how we prepare the absolute alcohol, rectified spirit, how we convert rectified spirit from absolute alcohol. So these are the questions may be asked from this section. So this you go and thoroughly read from your book. Then standardization may be asked as a main important question, because standardization of a drug and a vehicle are the two question you can get from this standardization topic. So vehicle or mother tincture preparation. The mother tincture or drug which we prepare, its standardization may be asked as a question. Then principle of a prescription writing, that is also a important topic which can be asked. Prescription writing, that is method of a dispensation of a medicine which is important, and a cancellation of a license or the act which are related to the license, how we get a license. So these relation of the scope of होम्योपैथी में एक क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, रिलेशन ऑफ होम्योपैथी फार्मेसी विथ organon or mathematica. And with this also a question can be asked from the standardization, that is pharmacovigilance, which is a new chapter which add in your syllabus. So there is separate video are uploaded to this question, and after you prepare this long question, the short question you can follow. So in the short question section there will be maybe sources of a drug is the important thing, can be asked. If they can be asked as a sources as a 20 mark, or there will be a division can be occur. The animal kingdom sources, animal kingdom से कौन से drug, or mineral kingdom. So these are the things we have prepared in the old method. There is a video uploaded, you can go through it and have a nice information regarding it. Then इंट्रोडक्शन टू होम्योपैथी फार्मेसी में बहुत सारा टॉपिक होता है, जैसे कि टर्म्स रिगार्डिंग होम्योपैथी फार्मेसी. दीज आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टर्मिनोलॉजी, मेनली फार्माकोलॉजी, फार्माकोडायनामिक्स, फार्माकोकाइनेटिक्स. दीज आर द टर्म्स यू शुड रिमेंबर फॉर योर एग्जाम as well as your viva. Then in the laboratory there will be anything regarding laboratory, the laboratory instrument and their uses. These are the things can be asked from this topic. Full section. In the principle there will be the drug proving. Mainly three things can be asked from this: drug proving, and the external application. As a short note or 10 mark question can be asked. External application as a 10 mark, mainly physiological action of a drug. Physiological action of a drug, which is the drug action or physiological action, which deals with the section of a pharmacokinetics. From this section, physiological action as a 10 mark question can be asked, and there will be many drugs are important. Just I give 5 drugs, that is arsenicum album. Because of the COVID, this drug is most arsenicum album. Then gelsemium, which asked in our exam. Then another is lacasis. There are many things, many drugs are present. You go through your previous year question, then you can have a great idea about this topic, which is most important. But these are the most important. Knox boom. Then another is our cactus grandiferous. So these are the important can be asked. Above that, many drugs are also. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand what are the long questions. Be prepared for your exam.